The antique typewriter arrived on a rainy afternoon, its keys cool and silent. That night, as I typed my name, the carriage jerked. Letters appeared by themselves. Hello? I stared, heart pounding. I pressed a cautious key. Instantly, it replied, I see you. The room's shadows seemed to deepen. I tried to pull my hands away, but the keys clamped my fingers. The typewriter rattled, spelling out, "Stay with me." Pain shot through my hands as blood seeped between the keys. With a final, shuddering clack, it typed, "Now you're part of my story."